Welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be introducing Newton's law of gravitation. That means I'm going to be doing an introduction to Newton's law of gravitation. Please note, this is an introduction to Newton's law of gravitation. Other tutorials video relating to this will also be released to make sure you understand this concept. Okay. So please don't forget to stick with me to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and drop down your suggestion in the comment section. Okay. So the mathematical representation of Newton's law of gravitation is what F is directly proportional to what m1, m2, and F is inversely proportional to what r square, or directly proportional to what 1 over r square. Okay. So now the general formula is what F is equal to what g m1 m2 over r square, where g in this case is a constant which is known as what gravitational constant, and it has the value of its own which normally does not change, except yes, it's a constant value, it does not change. But there are some questions in which you will be given that you won't be given M1 and M2. That means they will give you, let's say for example now you are given a question that relate F with R. So in that case, you need a formula that is relating F with R. So what you need to do in that case is what? To go back to the Newton law of gravitation and look at the mathematical expression. Now the one I need to solve this question is F is inversely proportional to r square, where r is the distance between the two mass. After I've done this, the next thing is to introduce a constant into this expression to change the proportionality sign to equals to. If I introduce a constant, it's going to turn to what F is equals to what k over what r square. Then make k the subject. That is going to give me what k is equals to what fr square, or fr square is equals to what k. How do we go about this? I cross multiply. Sometimes we can be given the two force, then one radius, or the two radius, then one force. So in this case, let's assume you are given F1, F2, R1, R2. Okay, well, that's the parameter we need to solve the question in this case. Note it's an assumption. Then this case, we're going to do the one for K1 and K2. So the one for K1 is what? K1 is equal to what? F1 R1 square. And the one for K2 is what? K2 is equal to what? F2 R2 square. Then the next thing is to what? Equate the two values. So if I do that, I'm going to have what? F1 R1 square is equal to what? F2 R2 square. Then I want to make F1 stand alone. If I want to make F1 stand alone, I have to divide both sides by what? R1 square. So if I do that, I'm going to have what? F1 is equal to what? F2 R2 square over what? R1 square. Now, since most of the question always has to what? Find the ratio, is always expressed as ratio. That means we're looking for what? F1 over what? F2. Please note, this is an assumption for the question we're trying to formulate. So if I want to make this to turn to what? F1 over what? F2, is going to be, I'm going to multiply both sides by 1 over what? F2, or divide both sides by what? F2. Now this is going to turn to what? 1 over F2 times what? F1 is equal to what? F2 times what? R squared 2 over what? R1 squared times what? 1 over what? F2. And this is now going to come to what? F1 over what? Over F2 is equal to what? R2 squared over what? R1 squared. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, to comment your thoughts in the comment section. And if you want me to create a tutorial video on a particular question, drop it in the comment section or reach out to me. Then we'll find a way to reach out to you. Or you can also communicate through the comment section. I will be in the comment section. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and share. See you later.